Okay, so let's talk about those 1, 2, and 3-point perspective systems. So 1-point perspective, there's 5 basic rules to keep in mind. There's one eye level. There's always one eye level. The eye level should be placed in or near the vertical center of the composition. Again, this is for classically accurate drawings, which we'll be dealing with for your exercises. But maybe as you go on to make more artwork, it's not something you're worried about. There's never more than one eye level in a drawing. In 1-point perspective, there's one vanishing point. Vertical lines are perpendicular to the eye level line. Horizontal lines are parallel to the eye level line. And converging lines converge or recede to the vanishing point. And let's look at some examples of this. Okay, so here's an image in 1-point perspective. We can establish this as the eye level line. That's where all of the converging lines will meet along this line at this vanishing point. We can see that clearly here, right? These are all converging lines that we can view in this image, right? It's this line from the street, the base of the trees, things of that nature will all converge to this single vanishing point, and that's on the eye level line, which is a horizontal line. Any other horizontal lines in this image are going to be parallel to the eye level line. So these are cast shadows from the trees. Vertical lines are perpendicular to the eye level line. And we already talked about converging lines all meet at the single vanishing point. Okay, here's another example of 1-point perspective. One single vanishing point on the eye level line. Horizontal lines are parallel to the eye level line. Vertical lines are perpendicular to the eye level line. And the converging lines all meet at one single vanishing point. Okay, and this is another example of 1-point perspective. Again, single vanishing point along the eye level line. Horizontal lines in the room, parallel to the eye level line. The vertical lines are perpendicular to the eye level line. And the converging lines, we can follow that here along this door, the wood on the table, the framework on this window, floorboards, corner of the room. All of these converge at the single vanishing point.